It has finally arrived, all the way from Switzerland, the motherland. Let's take a look. Guys, I've been waiting for this for a couple months now. This is a knife that was discontinued, and it proved to be a little challenging to find. But I finally did find it. And it is none other than the Locksmith. Let's dive into this, guys. Now, the Locksmith is a fairly big knife. Put it next to the Tinkerer, kind of get an idea of the size difference. I think they call this like a 111 millimeter. But anyway, it has the knife blade, which is locking as such. You have can opener and mini flathead. The bottle opener, which is actually larger than your standard bottle opener by quite a lot. And it is locking as well. So the blade and the bottle opener are both liner locked. You also have, let's see here, a file and a wood saw. And then on the back, you've got the Phillips and the awl or reamer, toothpick, and tweezers. Yeah, guys, I've been carrying this Tinkerer for quite a while in conjunction with the Mini Champ, but I just really thought this was a neat tool set with the nice big blade, the wood saw, and the file. I just really liked it, and the fact that it's a liner lock as well. And you know, this can function kind of as a pry tool as well. So yeah, that's it, guys. This was kind of hard to find. I finally found one on eBay, but again, it did have to come from Switzerland, so it was a little bit more expensive than if I could have found one here stateside. But yeah, really like this. I like the black scales. I think it's just a good looking knife. And I like the size of this. I mean, this fits really well in the hand. Now, they had a red version that was a one-hand open. The only problem with that, I thought, was that it had a hump here. So, in my mind, when you're using the other tools, it would make it uncomfortable to hold. So that, and I think the black is just good looking. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. I'm pretty excited to have this. I've been carrying the Tinkerer for, I don't know, probably a year now. So it'll be fun to switch it up. Anyway, guys, that is the Locksmith discontinued. Some dimensions. It is 4.4 inches long, 1.5 inches wide, and eighth of an inch, 0.8 inches tall. It weighs 5.7 ounces. So, thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. And as always, have a great day.